What's good? We're at wordswift.org today, up here in your browser, up here at the top in green, easy to write. Put it in there. It's going to bring you right to this page. Click in the paper. Your assignment today is to write to me about your favorite book. What's it about? Don't have one? Oh, Mr. Chapin, I've never read a book. Whatever. Think of a younger version of you. What did that person read? What were you read to about? Was it Goosebumps? Was it Nancy Drew? Was it Berenstain Bears? Or maybe think of a previous class where they read a book. Tell me what you can remember. Anything. When you get to 150 words, it's in red over here, hit the SIF button. It's going to create a word cloud. Fun, right? Look, guys, the big words are the ones you use the most. And then please take a snapshot. Web capture. It's down here at the bottom. Capture that full page. Thank you very much. Share it. Top right. I'm in your emails. Mr. Chapin, number 1 in your hearts, probably number 50 on your emails. Be good at it. Have a great day. This is due tomorrow.